Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are present, Java 11 or newer, and either a local database or Docker. Once done, download the Keycloak distribution or pull the key/Docker image. Make sure to create a persistent data directory so your config survives restarts. This matters when you switch from H2 to an external DB. Then, start Keycloak in dev mode for quick setup or with the standard start command to initialize the server and admin account. This gets you into the admin console fast. Once Keycloak is running, open the admin console and log in as admin. You'll create a realm to separate environments, then add a client, set its access type, confidential or public, and define redirect URIs so logins return to your app. Next, add users and assign them roles. Roles map to permissions and make auth decisions simple. Make sure to configure client credentials or adapters for your app now, because those settings control token exchange and session behavior downstream. To finish, secure the instance. Enable HTTPS or place Keycloak behind a reverse proxy and switch from H2 to a production DB. Export your realm configuration for backups and repeatable deployments. Once complete, integrate the adapter or OIC library in your application and test full login and logout flows. If something goes wrong, check client redirect URIs, client secret, and token lifespans first. Mismatched redirect URLs and expired or missing client credentials are the most common causes of failed authentication.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.